As the temperature rises, marking the end of a traditional school year, the idea and pressure of summer school often looms over students and parents alike. Whether the student has fallen behind during the school year and is looking for a way to catch up, or is maybe looking to pick up some extra credits over the summer in order to graduate early, the decision has both pros and cons. The idea of spending a portion of a summer in a classroom may not be the most appealing way to spend a break, but is it worth it in the long run? We'll discuss some of the advantages and disadvantages of summer school. Stay tuned for more info. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss why school is so boring. So let's start things off by discussing some of the advantages of summer school. One advantage is the opportunity for academic improvement. Whether you're a student looking to catch up on missed work of the previous year, or you're a student looking to get ahead on the next year, summer school will help you improve your academic standing. Because summer school has less student volume than a normal school year, you're going to get much more teacher attention during summer school. Teachers are going to be able to work with you in developing lessons and goals that you wish to accomplish during the summer school. It can provide a focused, intensive instruction in core subjects like math, history, science, and language arts. Putting in the extra time will help students build extra foundation for their potential academic success in the future. Another advantage is the lack of academic and social pressure during summer school. Because it's a more personalized and catered learning environment, there's a lot less pressure on both students and teachers. This more individualized learning environment is also more productive for students, allowing them to learn a lot more in less amount of time. The supportive atmosphere spawned from this type of learning environment can also boost a student's confidence, allowing them to overcome academic challenges and to develop a more positive attitude toward learning. Another great advantage of summer school is the ability to explore new subjects and ideas that are exciting to the student. Many summer programs will offer a wide range of elective courses for students to choose from that may not be available during the normal school year. These unique experiences can broaden the student's horizons, spark new passions, and can help students with discovering career path opportunities. Finally, summer school will help students avoid a decline in academic achievement. It's well understood that there's much of the academic gain that occurs during the school year is lost during the summer months. Attending summer classes will help decrease the typical achievement decline students experience over the long summer break. So now that we've discussed some of the advantages of summer school, let's highlight some of the disadvantages. The first is the loss of free time and the opportunity to relax and recharge over summer break. The school year can be stressful, especially for students taking upper level classes. Because of this, many students can experience burnout at the end of the year, and summer could add to the stress if you're taking summer classes. Summer break is some of the only time that students will be able to pursue personal interest and engage with non-activities that can help them recharge for the upcoming school year. Students who take summer school classes most likely won't have time or opportunity to get a job, which can be an important experience before graduating. Moreover, attending summer school may come with financial implications. While some summer school options are offered for free or reduced cost, others can be quite expensive. For families facing financial constraints, this can be a difficult hurdle to overcome. It's essential to weigh the benefits of summer school against the financial costs to decide if it's truly worth it for your student. It's also important to note that not all students will benefit from summer school equally. Each student will have a different experience and is on their own journey. And while some students thrive during this time, for others it can do harm. It is crucial to assess individual needs and evaluate whether summer school will genuinely contribute to the personal growth and academic achievement of your student. To conclude, the question of whether summer school is worth it is ultimately going to depend on your specific circumstances and the needs of your student. For those looking for academic support or to get ahead on some credits, it can be a great and valuable experience. It's a great opportunity to bridge learning gaps, receive personalized instruction, and engage in enriching lessons and activities. It's still important to consider some of the disadvantages. Loss of time, financial costs, and student experiences are all factors to consider when choosing if it's the right choice for the upcoming summer. If you or someone that you know is looking for a one-to-one individualized summer school experience, check out the Tenney School, where we can work with students both for credit as well as for enrichment. Even if you're not in Houston, our one-to-one courses can be taken anywhere using our online learning platform, Tenney School Live. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to hit that bell icon to be notified whenever we post something new.